Are you thinking about trying out Kuyami Pillows? They've been popping up online lately with bold promises: 5-star hotel quality comfort, soft and fluffy feel, cooling all night, and strong neck support. Add in a 30-day guarantee, free shipping, and easy returns. And it sounds almost too good to be true. But is it really legit, or just another scam? Let's start with what we know. The website claims the Kuyami pillow is breathable, hypoallergenic, and retains its shape for years. It's being sold with a discount of around 50–60%. That's a pretty big cut for a brand new product, especially when the website itself was only created on June 20th. While that doesn't instantly mean it's a scam, it does raise a red flag. New sites offering deep discounts are often trying to lure people in fast before disappearing. When you look closer at their website, some things just don't sit right. The product images seem overly polished, and many are copied from other websites, meaning they likely didn't take their own product photos. That's never a good sign. If a company doesn't have real product images, it's fair to wonder whether they actually have the product at all. Another major issue? There's no proper contact information. No phone number, no physical address, only a generic contact form or email. That's a huge risk for buyers. If your order gets lost, arrives damaged, or doesn't come at all, you'll have no easy way to reach out or resolve it. The legal pages on the website are also lacking important information about who runs the business or where they're based. That lack of transparency is worrying. What about customer reviews? On the website, everything looks perfect, all 5-star reviews. But there are no third-party reviews on sites like Trustpilot or Reddit, which is unusual. Even their social media accounts, while they have some followers, show barely any activity or engagement from real people. So, is Kuyami Pillow legit? Honestly, it's hard to say for sure, but there are a lot of red flags that make it a risky buy. If you're thinking about purchasing one, proceed with caution, or better yet, wait until there are more trustworthy reviews from real customers.